First, a quick review. There are a number of ways we've discussed to determine the number of moles in a sample. Most often we're going to use the formula weight. We divide the mass by the formula weight to get moles. In this problem, we're going to multiply the molarity times the volume in liters to determine the moles of a solute. We can also determine moles of a gas at STP by using the conversion factor that a mole of gas is equivalent to 22.414 liters. In this problem, we're given both the volume and the molarity of a solute in solution, so we can calculate moles that way. Okay, we can start by writing our molarity in terms of moles per liter. That helps remind us of the rest of the math we need to do. So we can see here how we've determined the moles of silver nitrate. Because liters cancel, milliliters cancel, and we're left with moles of silver nitrate. Now we go to our balanced chemical equation to write a mole-to-mole conversion factor. Okay, so our moles of silver nitrate cancel out, and we'll end up with units of moles of AgBr, which is precisely what we're asked to calculate, so we just do our math. Looking at our sig figs, we see 3 sig figs, 3 sig figs. This is exact. This is exact. Our answer is limited to 3 sig figs. Our first number to be dropped is greater than 5, so we add 1 to the preceding decimal place. And we have our answer.